all the other websites are emailing you matches for the week. And you can typically have settings for how often to email you. Once a week is enough. Email, get them like once a week, read it like over the weekend, email them like Sunday or Monday or something like that. Not Saturday night that says, don't email them Saturday night. Because it subtly screams, yes, I'm single and I have nothing better to do. I have no social life. Just because we're single doesn't mean we don't have a social life. Don't email Friday night, don't email Saturday night. I would even say don't email, like, I pretty much say like don't email from like noon Friday until like noon on Sunday. Just, you're like invisible, you're not on, you're not, don't even go, because like all of them are reporting how recently you've been online. You're busy. If you're not busy, get busy. You know, do something, you know, like all my activities for you. It's like, get out, have a social life, meet other people. When you're emailing, they send you the matches typically based on age group, what you said you were interested in age-wise, what you said you were interested in from attributes and hobbies. Be careful about the hobbies. It used to be that, because like Match used to have like a list of, I'll just say like 20. Now they have like all the picture things too, if they have even more. Is when it used to be like 20, everyone started to like tick off. Used to tick off all 20, you know, because we were aiming to get the most number of people to email with. So people, that was like one of the kind of like, you know, not scams, but like one of the little like scams everyone was starting to do, just to get more people to like, oh hey, Matt said that, you know, that we're a match, you know, kind of a thing. And that's what you then use for your opening emails. Still, in general, men are the ones who will do the opening email. Oh, this is a tough one. There are studies like OkCupid and a couple other ones have done some studies about like when the man says she's beautiful, and like when that word is in the email or in the subject line. Don't have it in the subject line of the email. Especially if Don Juan said like a beautiful woman wants to be complimented that she's intelligent, and an intelligent woman wants you to tell her that she's beautiful. And if we're both, good luck. You know, it's so, if she's beautiful, in particular in the email header, pick out something, preferably a hobby of hers. Oh hi, I see you're a hockey fan. Oh wow, you like salsa too. Something that she had in her profile. Beautiful women in particular, they're already getting, all the men are clicking through. Even if she's really not even their type, if she's beautiful, they're clicking through and looking. So you're just like, of course. It's like, of course, I'm a guy, you know. And that's it. It's like, of course, you're a guy. It's like, and we know this, and it's normal. Distinguish yourself from the other guys by writing probably at least 3 paragraphs. And a paragraph is at least like 3 sentences. Not the college essay. Where's the form letter? Demonstrate. It's a little bit of a conversation. You didn't just say like, hey, beautiful, you know, it's the, you know, hi, you know, it demonstrates I read your profile. Oh, sure, you're beautiful. And you don't actually say, sure, you're beautiful. You might then around like the 2nd or 3rd paragraph, because it's almost secondary that you're mentioning it because you're looking for a person. And she will feel like that he actually got me as a person, or is at least a little bit interested in me in person. You might in the 2nd or 3rd paragraph say, you know, you really are beautiful. You have a dazzling smile. When you say she's beautiful, it's almost a compound sentence. You can say she's beautiful, admire her eyes or her smile in some genuine way, whatever the genuine compliment, please don't just like use a form phrase. Because the eyes are, we all feel like that they are the windows to the soul. So when you admire her eyes in some way, even if you just say like, your eyes are just so beautiful, and you're not even saying like how expressive they are, she will feel like, oh, he got that, even if he doesn't know what that is. And the smile is the other of like, we are just expressing our essence through our smile. So she'll feel like, oh, he's responding to me as a person, as opposed to only that I'm beautiful. It's funny because the OkCupid studies said something about like, so don't compliment her on being beautiful. If she's beautiful, everyone's telling her. At the same time, we do still want to hear it. Just don't have it be the only thing you're saying.